Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mope, and today I'm going to be doing a review on Taraji P Henson'S line. I have here the Tough Cookie, a styling defining gel, and an edge control treatment. Okay, I just want to see, you know what I'm saying, what this does or whatever. And I also got the Ride or Die, alright now, Ride or Die, a detangling leave-in conditioner. Yeah, so my hair's already been tangled. However, you know, it's 4C hair, so it's freshly washed. My hair is freshly washed, so don't look at it as like, oh my gosh, this does not look like a girl. Let me tell y'all, the way I wash my hair when I take the twist out literally looks like this because of how I wash my hair. I leave it in twist when I rinse it out of the, you know, the conditioner or conditioner, so it ends up keeping it stretched. But I'm pretty sure as we get into this video, you guys will see that the shrinkage is real. Maybe not, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the leave-in conditioner. I love like the aesthetic. I really love the color, the vibrance. Like I enjoy it. The leave-in conditioner is supposed to detangle, condition, and protect. No nonsense, but no nonsense. Get it? Okay. All right. Ride or Die goes hard for your hair. This leave-in provides lots of slip to detangle, weightless conditioning, and frizz control for soft and more manageable tresses. Your partner in crime for everyday hair maintenance and moisture. In dryness, dullness, and tangles, Ride or Die is with you to get through it all. I'm gonna go ahead and pump. Oh, it's so disgusting. Anyways, it's okay. As far as this is concerned, like, you just have to keep pumping. Yeah, see how much I've been able to gather so far, so that's obviously not enough. But let's just see. Ooh, all right. Why? Why is it so? Okay. Oh my goodness. I hate fragrance on my hair, on my skin. Hate it. Don't understand it. Okay, so it does give me the slip, like, you know, that I need when it comes to leave-in conditioners. However, it leaves me this white residue that I'm hoping can and will go away. So what I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and split my hair for you guys. On the right side, I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner first before I go ahead and curl my hair. On the left side, I will just go without this, just so you guys can see what, you know, the difference, if there is any. I'm really bothered though, because like my hands are slippery obviously, and I can't really get much out of this. So what am I supposed to do with this? I'm just gonna do it all at once because I don't know what to do with this. Like, I'm so confused. I have a towel. Can you see it? That's what I'm using. So show y'all can see it. Oh, jeez. Girl, the thing is, it doesn't help. You know, I don't know if you guys can actually tell the dimension. Like, it's really nice. The bottle is nice. It's good, like aesthetically pleasing. Okay. However, I'm not sure that it's practical for me to keep doing this because, first of all, this is like hurting my palms. Like, it's not like the most comfortable. Oh boy. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it and see. That makes a difference, but no. Oh, if y'all can smell what I'm smelling right now, bruh, it's just too much fragrance. Like, I've done the best that I could with this product. I really have. Y'all can see. I've done the best I could. I'm not going in anymore with this because this is gonna take me all day, and I don't have all day. So it is nice as far as, you know, like I said, the feel of it is really nice. But I'm gonna go straight in with the Tough Cookie styling gel. It's not like super, like, you know, super gummy, if that makes sense. Yeah, it's nice. I don't mind. So let's start with this section of our hair. This supposed to sleek, shape, and define. So we'll see how that goes. It is apparently it's always up for the challenge. It never crumbles or flakes, and it's supposed to mold sleek hair into the shape and stretchable into desired shapes with stretchable, flexible hold and epic control. It's very, very slippery. Oh, very, very, very extremely. Like you gotta hold your own hair like tight because you can just easily like let it go. Let it. Okay. All right. But I love the shine that I can see. I really like it. Just so that you guys know, right? This is literally all I use. I dip it in. You see this? Whatever this is right here is what I use. Okay. So I'm not trying to do too much. Not trying to. You know, it's gel, you know, you're not trying to like gel up all, like, you know, you don't want it to be stiff, you still want it to move. So yes, I use as little as possible so I can hopefully get the desired look I'm going for. I add more to my hair if I don't feel, if I don't feel the slippage anymore of the gel, I will add a little bit more, but if I do, I just mind my business. This is Sleek, an edge control treatment. It's supposed to tame, silken, and hold. So I keep squeezing. I'm not sure. Okay, yes, I see a little. This is so hard. I'm gonna try to stay positive, but dang. Yo, this is hard. Like, y'all, I've already squeezed through the bottle and this thing is still not out. Trying to make it as aesthetically pleasing as I can, but this ain't even like what's up. Like, all right guys, so I'm technically done with the initial reviews. Yes, it looks a little frizzy, blame me, it's okay, I don't mind it. I just want the curl patterns, I just want the curls to be nice when I take it down. So I'm gonna leave it in for a few hours just so it can, you know, stay put, and I'll be back and show you guys my final result. All right everybody, so it has been, what time is it? Almost been a full day now that I've had this in. I went to sleep with that, and yeah, it's almost been 24 hours, almost. Let's hope and pray. She did have an oil on her line that I didn't purchase, but I'm gonna go ahead and put, this is almond oil. I just picked oil. So I'm gonna go ahead because yeah, remember I did not moisturize my hair, so yeah. Let's just hope and pray, yeah. This is the gel that I use. I literally just put another coat on. Alright, so you guys, the first things first, I used what I used in my hair without moisturizing my hair, which I think is to my disadvantage now, just because of the fact that my hair is dry. My hair is dry. My hair is dry. It's not unbearable, you know what I'm saying? It's not unbearable because, you know, I still was able to achieve whatever I was able to achieve with this, but it is dry. The twister there, I did manipulate this hair a lot, to be honest with you. Again, it's dry. My hair is dry. Look, my hair's gonna stay like that. See? Would I use this product again? Would I use this whole thing again? I'm not really sure. As far as the leave-in conditioner is concerned, I don't plan to use this again. It's rather unfortunate because I really think it's a good product, but the whole idea of me having to squeeze it out of this tube, this 3D type dimensional, like, it's just a lie. It's a lot of corners, okay? It's a lie, and I really don't plan to be going through this, okay? So no to this. The edge control, I mean, y'all can see what it controlled. Like, I put it literally, I put this again right before I took my twist out, so whatever is left of this, y'all can see what all it controlled and what it didn't. Y'all can see that for yourself. So I don't plan to use this again. No. As far as this is concerned, I want to give this another go. This is the Tough Cookie Gel, style defining gel. I do want to give this another try, and the only reason I'm saying this is because I didn't moisturize my hair to begin with. I really just wanted to stick to whatever it is that, you know, they said to stick with. Oil, they didn't mention to put oil on the hair, and they didn't mention to moisturize it. They wanted it to be clean hair, so I went with whatever they came up with. It's not so bad as far as the curls though. I did get the curls. Whatever is left of it, you guys can see it. It's not this fault. It was curly when I took this out. I just manipulated it a lot because it's so dry. It's so dry, okay? It's really so dry. So another thing to it as well, I did I'm sure I mentioned in the video, but just a reminder, I did put the leave-in conditioner on this side and the gel. I didn't put the leave-in conditioner on this side. I just put the gel on there, and to be honest with you, I see no difference. So I do plan to deep condition my hair after this. I have a place to go to tonight, so this is about to be it. But I know that you guys can also tell the white flakes that I am getting. I think it's one over here, and then another one is over there. I know you guys can see it. It's rather unfortunate. I wish that didn't have to happen, but they both sides literally is full of white. I have white flakes all over me. Yeah, it's just dry. I do want to say the fragrance, yes, I still smell it. It's not as strong as it was when I was putting the products in my hair yesterday. It was not as strong. However, it's still there. I still smell it. I still smell it. Like, I still smell it. It's just not as like potent as it was when I put it on last night. Yo, that was crazy. I want to say, like, try it out for yourself and see. Yeah, yes, try it out and see if you care for it. If you have, you know, a different experience than I do, please leave it down below. If you actually have the same experience as I do, or as I did, please leave that comment down below as well. I just want to see who all relate with me, or if you know, did you guys ever buy the products? Did y'all even try it out? Did y'all planning to do it? Like, what is your goal? This is my 4C review on Taraji P Henson'S line, and I really, really hope that you enjoyed it. But yes, I'll talk to you guys later. Yes, stay beautiful. Bye bye. It's dry. That's how you know my hair is dry. My hair is dry. It's dry, girl. It's dry. It's dry. I'm not even gonna front. It's dry.